Greetings, fellow nerds. Motor City Games here with another booster box opening of a sadly dead trading card game, the Argent Saga Ascension expansion. Got a booster box of the second expansion after the Betrayal set, then was Revelations, and now Ascension. Sadly, this game, as I've previously documented and has been documented by many others who are much more knowledgeable than I, this game is dead due to the tomfoolery and malarkey of the people in charge, or one specific person. I'm not sure. I don't want to name any names because I'm not personally involved. But yeah, just take a look. 10 cards per pack, 24 packs per box. The social media websites and all that are dead for this game, but you can still get cards on TCG Player. So now let's take a look at one of my favorite, quote-unquote, Argent Saga things, box toppers. And, yep, hey, this one's all right. A lot of theirs are just thrown in the box randomly and no packaging of any kind, so it was nice to find this one wrapped in plastic. So here we go. A Spirit of Servimini. Anyway, yep, still got those thick Argent Saga cards that are thicker than any other TCGs. Show off the packaging here. The Ascension. Beautiful art. Made in the USA. And whoop, upside down, sorry. There you go. 10 cards, 1 foil. And there we go. Copyright 2020. So only 3 years old, but dead. So here we go. Return from Ashes. See, isn't that just gorgeous art? Beautiful, beautiful artwork. Oh yes, the commons because of the circle at the bottom. Cloud Sea offensive formation and Cosmic Water Magic is a rare. Ooh! Holy macaroni! This is pretty. Kite the Air Spirit. This is a promo card, but this, you can see, is a serialized 319 out of 500. So that's pretty sweet. I've never actually pulled one of those before. I am going to sleeve that one right away, because, yeah, pretty cool. If I did, yeah, I did it backwards because I'm a moron. There we go. That is better that we sleeve it. Alright. Alright, so that something tells me it's going to be all downhill from here. But, alright. I'm not going to separate the rares and foils like I normally do, because these are going to go in a binder. Oh, Ezra Seeker. Hey, that's the famed art from Argent Saga used for their advertisements. Oh, that's cool. Imagine Maze Worm. I love that. That's just cute and great, and it makes you think of mutton chops. So kudos to them for that. That's cool. Beginner's Roar. Sparring Sprite. And Cosmic Dark Magic Rare. And, ooh, they definitely changed the look of the tokens on this one. The backs are the same, of course, but cool change in the token there. Let's see if I can. Nope, these packs rip open really easily, so it's going to be a chore to try to save one, but I'm still going to try. Cloud Sea Beast Hammer, nice. Yeah, the artwork I definitely enjoy in this game. Gloom Necrolord. And you can see the foils. And here's the useless shard points. It's just the first couple expansions, or not expansions, sets that had the atrocious foiling. Skeletal Gargoyle, oh, that's cool artwork. I really hope this game comes back from the dead, like Netrunner and Shadow Era and Genesis. Ooh, Berserker Golem token. I don't know, this looks like something from a mobile game, the layout of the card, but it'd be great if it came back from the dead. And I'm not just saying that because I have all those stinking shard points, just because it's beautiful artwork and high quality cards. That would be cool in foil. And Ritual of Ashes, rare foil, and another night token. Yeah, it's just weird that around it, I don't know. That the tokens look kind of cheap in this. And again, I'm no expert, I am no manufacturer or designer of multi-thousand selling cards, or tens or hundreds of thousands, whatever this did. So, Guardsman Leviathan, foil, common. Ergon the Forgiven, Emissary, foil, rare, and illusion token. Yeah, I have to say the tokens are my least favorite part of this set that I've experienced so far. They just look chintzy. Oh, that's cute. Playful Imp. Fun art, different art style. Best friends forever. Nice. And here is the Cosmic Light Magic. Alright, and Hulking Mech token. Let's see, can it? Nope, every pack just tears so easily. There we go. Dangers Untold. Cool art, cool name. A lot of those worms, so I get for saying that I liked it. Mei-Yu, Corrupted by Power. It's definitely making me, the wording, and I don't know the story, but it's making me think, or I should say, reminding me of March of the Machine and the Aftermath, with all these characters and extended titles. Great Stormfish. Oof. Common foil. And the Great Magimaze. Nice. You can only control one. 5 maze counter. No man destroy it, and you, if you do, you win the game. Woo! Nice. And a Rao token. And the maze that wins the game makes me think of Dragon's Maze, or Dragon Maze, whatever that one. Expansion for Magic. Great Stormfish, Lesser Shrieker. Bagoom, oh, another Bagoom, but the friendly beast. Defender Royana foil, and, ooh, sparkly Blessed Elemental Q unit. Alright then. Man, they just tear. I don't even get to try. Oh, I gotta do the smell test. No smell to these? That's nice. Protector of the In-Between. Scales of Darkness. And, ooh, there's one of those fancy epic or mythic or whatever with that, by that symbol, but this halo foiling, I think it's called. Metaial, Metaial, Celestial of Ruin. I don't know how to say it, but here's a mutation token. these cards were $15. Special sale from Celestial Team Up, Avengers Assemble, and an Argent Shard. From miniaturemarket.com or Miniature Market. That I know that's the name of the place. So check it out. Get some TCGs and miniatures at good prices. Always look for the sales. Ooh, Hidden Dragon of the Cloud Sea. And an experiment token. There's a lot of dang tokens. Previous ones are just night tokens that I got. Is that a foil? Yeah, that's a foil. Kind of foil. Hannah, Reformed Apprentice. And alright, let's see. Can I... No, you can't just force the cards out of the end. The pack's strong enough that you can't do that. But the minute you try to lift the end, it just... Oh, look, him again. That is pretty cool. Tinkerbell-esque art there. That's all I'm going to do. That's sweet. Servants, ooh. Ferocious Acidic Monger. Nice. And there we go. Shard Merchant. And a Sentinel token. I'm going to probably just have to do it this way. I don't like saving the pack with the top cut off. But if I can't open in the normal way, it's still a way for me to have something. Well, here's the Blob token. Okay. Sweet. Final Battle at the Argent Tower. That's cool name, cool art. Square, another Seer, another. And here's our Cloud Sea preparation. Alright. Yeah, of course. Look, right after I cut the top off, I get a pack that... Oh, well, yeah. Except for this night token, different art. See how many doubles I'm getting. And that's cool. Rain Corrupted by Grief. It's always frustrating when you have packs with, you know, smaller amount of cards like 10, or Exodus had only 5 cards per pack. And you're still getting all these doubles. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful artwork. Even though the game is dead and had all that controversy and stuff, just the artwork is gorgeous. Again, I wish that they used more of the card, but I completely understand. And a mutation token. Father's Betrayal. Ooh. There's another Glow Shard Dragon. That one. Ooh. And here's Arc, the Soaring Blazewalker. Nice. Starting to all doubles now. So, and Veteran of the Gilded Hills. And Fire Elemental token. New token. Gatekeeper. No foil in between. Ira, Savior of Argos. And another. Kudos though for the bright packaging. It catches your eye. Standard Chartreuse, that would be cool in foil. And here's a Beast, a Ravenous Acidic Monger, and a Whelp token. Man, so many tokens. All doubles now. Oh, that's always interesting when that kind of stuff happens. United Empowerment. Sounds like a modern woke kind of job hunting center. I don't know. And the final pack of the Argent Saga Ascension expansion. Father's Betrayal right at the top. I can't go and leave loose ends now, can I? Well, I can honestly say my father never stabbed me. He may have hit me, but he never stabbed me. Knock on wood, I guess. Blue Neophyte. Ursula, and our final foil, Helena's Wrath, the witch lady who's on a bunch of the artwork. And so there you have it. Argent Saga Ascension. And there's the best card I got from the first pack. The 319 out of 500 serialized Air Spirit. Well, that works. Thanks for watching. I hope you all have a great day.